Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh Anand. In this video, we are going to see about the power consumption comparison of lamps which are used in your normal householding purposes. Normally in houses, we use three types of lamps. Earlier, we use incandescent lamps, in the sense normal light purpose. Then second thing is fluorescent lamps, and nowadays we are using LED bulbs. So the incandescent lamp, in the sense which the main part is the tungsten filament, which means the tungsten filament will glows, and then automatically the light will glows. Then the fluorescent, in the sense the some of the gases will be inside the lamps, and it will lead to glowing of your lamp. Then LED, in the sense light emitting diode. Whenever some of the diodes will be there in the LED, so that diode will responsible for your lighting emission. So these are the three things normally we use in your householding purposes. So in this case, the incandescent bulb, in the sense uh, it will takes, or it will drains more of your so the incandescent lamp will takes more wattages, because for 1 hour the heating gets higher level, means also the load will get, and also the losses will be more. So in this case the wattage will be higher in the incandescent lamp. Then fluorescent, in the sense it is a medium range of thing, and also the glowing power of the fluorescent lamp will get decreases automatically with their year age, which means number of hours we are using. After that automatically the fluorescent lamp glowing will get decreases. So light emitting diode, in the sense nowadays we are using this light emitting diode. These LED bulbs are very much useful, and also the losses, heat, some losses like heat losses, and then uh, more than a number of hours usage, the glowing power also get lowering. This kind of problems will be eradicated in the LED lamps. So comparison of these three lamps: first, for 1 watt of LED, the fluorescent will take 3 watt, and also the incandescent will take 15 watt. Then for 3 watt of LED, fluorescent will take 7 watt, and incandescent will take 35 watt. Then for 5 watt of LED, fluorescent will take 11 watt, and incandescent will take 50 watts. Then for a 7 watt of LED, the fluorescent will take 15 watt, and incandescent will take 70 watts. Then for 9 watt of LED, fluorescent will take 19 watts, and incandescent take 90 watts. Then for a 12 volt of LED, fluorescent will take 25 watt, incandescent will take 120 watt. Then for 15 watt of LED, fluorescent will take 31 watt, incandescent will take 150 watt. Then for 18 watts of LED, fluorescent will take 36 watt, and incandescent will take 180 watt. So these are all calculated for a 1 hour comparison. So for 1 hour, if it is glowing, in the sense it will take this much of wattage. So if it is going on increasing, means automatically your whatever, which means the energy consumption will get increases. So according to this, the nowadays the in householding we are preferring the LED lamps. Hope you understand. I think so. In coming up video, we will see this kind of short notes on basics, electrical and electronics kind of thing. Thanks for everyone. Keep sharing your knowledge and gain your knowledge. Thanks everyone. Nandri. Vanakkam.